Data science. What's the difference? Let's understand in 30 seconds. AI means artificial intelligence is about building intelligent machine that can learn, make decision and perform tasks like humans. Not human, like humans. Example include ChatGPT, self-driving cars and voice assistant. And second is data science. Data science is about analyzing data, finding patterns, and extracting insight to solve real world business problems. Example including sales analysis, forecasting, customer segmentation, etc. So, the data science focuses on finding insight from the data, while AI focuses on building intelligent system that can learn and make decisions. Want to understand AI, data science, and their career paths in detail? Check the detailed video, link is in the description. Thank you.